Hi guys, welcome to my channel Home Cooking by On. Today I'm making one of my kids' favorite dishes, that is spaghetti bolognese. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's get cooking. Just add a little bit of oil and we're gonna caramelize the chopped onion. When the onion turning brown, we're gonna add some Italian herbs. And we're gonna cook it until it's fragrant and smell really nice before we add the meat. Now we can add some beef mince. When the mince turn brown, I'm gonna add the pasta sauce. I normally use this brand because the taste is quite good. At this stage, you can also add the beef stock or the beef stock cube as well. There is no right or wrong when you're cooking. You can just adapt in your recipe and in your cooking for your liking. After a few minutes of boiling, I'm gonna add some chopped tomatoes and also some carrot. So this is the trick to help your child eating vegetables. Lastly, I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. And that's it. Now we have the sauce. Next, we're gonna cook the pasta. Okay, let's go. In a pot with boiling water, add a little bit of oil for stop them sticking together, and a little bit of salt. And now you can put the pasta in. So we're gonna cook the pasta for about 8 to 10 minutes. And then we're gonna strain it out. Then we have it, the pasta. Now we're gonna plate up. So the pasta in first, then the sauce. As much as you like. And today I'm gonna add chicken schnitzel as well. And sprinkle with parsley. And a bit of pepper. And that's it for today. Hope you like my video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like or share my channel. And I'll see you next time. Bye.